Hi, welcome to Rozey K9 Farm. These are chocolate English Labrador Retriever puppies that were born 3/22 and are ready to go home the weekend of May 15. These are the three girls that are spoken for in the litter. I did a couple of different videos. I did the boys that were already spoken for, and then a video that will show the last chocolate boy that is still available. We have pink collar there, Brownie. We got green here, Truffles, and a little yellow here, Hazelnut. And like I said, all these females are already spoken for. I do have another litter that has some black boys in it that are still available, and like I said, out of this litter, there will be one boy, chocolate boy, that will still be available. And I should know that in a couple of days here yet. So we are Rozey K9 Farm, that's R-O-Z-E-Y-K, the number 9farm.com, and you can contact us at 616-892-1993. Hi, Hazelnut. Yes, hi. Hey, sweetie. We got Brownie over there. Come here with your toy. Well, what? You got a big toy there. Good girl. And then we got Truffles there. Huh. And then we should have some more of these gorgeous chocolate English Labrador Retrievers, and also some blacks in the fall again. That's my next plan anyways, if everything goes according to the way nature should have it. So yellow is the Hazelnut, and then we got green with green is Truffles. Come here, Truffles. Okay, here, let's bring the toy out here so people can see you. Yeah. And Brownie came to say hi. Hi, sweetie. Yes. Oh, yes. And we got Truffles here. Hi. Yes, I can't see you when you're way up on me. And then we got Truffles. All right, guys. So they're growing nicely, enjoying their puppy food, and love their playtime. We'll take some new weights and pictures of them here. They're growing so quickly now, it's hard to keep up with them. Hazel and Truffles. Here's Brownie. Alright guys, you all like to go in that corner. What toy do you need out of there, huh? Here. I got one. You want to get that one? Come on. There's plenty of toys out. There are. There's plenty of toys out. Hey, Brownie. Oh. Yes. And Truffles. Hazel. Why don't you go play with Truffles? Here, want a ball? No, you just want to bug me. And try to get up in my lap. There goes Truffles. See if Brownie will go join her. I got Hazel chewing on my shirt over here. Alright, come on guys. Let's go find the toys over here. Here. Did you hear that? See if we can get... Here, you guys like these ones? There's Truffles. Huh, sweetie. You want to follow me? A good girl. Here comes Hazel. And Truffles here. Alright, so once again we are Rozey K9 Farm. That's R-O-Z-E-Y-K, the number 9farm.com, and you can contact us at 616-892-1993. And we'd love to give you some more information on our gorgeous English Labrador Retriever puppies. Come here, Truffles. I want to say thanks for visiting. And get it. Say bye for now.